Welcome to the VST channel, guys. Valen Speaks Tech. In this video you are going to see some video and photo samples shot on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra running on the latest June AWF1 firmware. Now guys, I'm sure you know already, but Samsung are not big fans producing changelogs. Sometimes the changelog for the June update is rather very limited, and a lot of leaks out there are titling it as the super update and title it as the massive camera update, but the thing is that we don't really know what they changed besides the very obvious fact that they added a 2x option for the portrait, which is actually taking a crop shot from the 23mm main wide camera. So you're gonna see later also some shots like this. Right now what you see on the screen is 4K 30 FPS video, specifically 4K 30 because I am able to cycle through all the lenses. See here, from ultra wide to the 3x to 10x to 20x, I believe is the maximum magnification, and the idea of this test is to first understand how quick the Samsung can cycle through all the lenses, then to understand do we have jitters, which I believe we have, and how stable is this footage, and then of course at the end check noise level, check details level, check texture, check how Samsung phone is able to process the footage, how it's handling the low lights, how it's handling the shadows. And as you can just see, it's not ideal, right? And this scenario is, by the way, very tough. Twilight is very tough. It could be even tougher than just pure night or let's say a broad day scenario, but I have more for you guys. So I will put a lot of efforts into fully testing this June firmware, so expect a lot of videos to come. UHD 30 FPS, guys. It's twilight video shot on the S23 Ultra June update, guys. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna switch over to the back camera so I'm able to test properly all the zoom levels, 3x, 10x being optical. This is 1x. Alright, 1x. Now, going to the ultra wide, pay attention to the switch, guys. So 1x, 0.6, 1x, okay. Now from 1x, guys, I am gonna switch to 3x. Alright, and immediately you can just see how less light the zoom camera is able to capture. That's normal, but at least it's optical zoom. So this is the switch between 3x, 1x and 0.6, and vice versa, 0.6, 1x, 3x. And now guys, I'm gonna go to 10x. Alright, back to 3x, 1x. Okay, we'll just try to initiate a run, but we already know this is one of the best stabilizations in a phone. Alright, 3x. Oops, it's a cat there. Let's go to 10x, guys. 3, 1, 0, 6. Okay, now I'm gonna go into a better illuminated area, guys. Ultra wide again, 1x, 3x. Okay, and now 10x. It's definitely better when there is more light. 3x again, 1x. Let me show you something. One more time, guys. 0.6, 1, 3.